Welcome to Repovesi National Park, a place where Finnish nature reveals its most rugged and enchanting face. Just a few hours' drive from Helsinki, a world awaits us, composed of hundreds of tiny lakes, sheer rock faces, and forests that stretch as far as the eye can see. Repovesi is not just a park, it is a memory of a time when nature ruled unconditionally. The undisputed symbol of the park is Alhavanvuori. It is a 50-meter-high vertical rock face that plunges straight into the lake waters. This is a place where adrenaline and silence meet. Here, Finland's best rock climbers test their skills, while above, on the edge of the cliff, a hiker can feel like they're on top of the world for a moment. These views leave no one indifferent. The adventurous spirit of Repovesi lies in the details. The Lapinsalmi suspension bridge is a favorite for many hikers. It sways gently underfoot, offering a touch of excitement and a view deep over the blue waters. And if you wish to experience something truly different, the self-service ferry at Ketunlasi will carry you across the strait using nothing but your own physical strength. It is a moment where time stands still. Repovesi has something for everyone, whether your goal is the 26-kilometer Karulahti trail or just a peaceful evening by the campfire, watching the sun sink behind the lake. Here, you will rediscover that lost connection with the earth. This is a place where silence speaks louder than words.